Today I'm going to show you how to back up your database in DaVinci Resolve. My name is Trevor, this is NerdLearn. Let's get started. So first, open up DaVinci Resolve. So on your local database, you're going to click on this first icon, and if you mouse over it says backup. It's going to ask where we're going to save the file. I'm going to choose this solid state drive, and I'm going to make a brand new directory. I'm just going to add in today's date, click on save, and back up. So in the event that we need to restore this, we're just going to choose this other icon, the restore. So a likely scenario is maybe you've upgraded to DaVinci Resolve 18 and it is not reading your database for some reason. Then you can roll back and you can add in the database. And that's how you back up your database in DaVinci Resolve 17. Thank you for watching.